Hey, welcome back to another show. Today we're going to talk about how to save money and what we can do to save money for 2021. So please subscribe, like, share, whatever you got to do. Let's get this channel pumping a little bit because the subscribers are a little bit low. So I appreciate you subscribing, liking, commenting. Let me know of other ways as well that you save money that I haven't mentioned or something. Maybe we can share it with the world and help people live a little bit better. So for now, let's get into it. And yeah. Okay, the first thing you want to do is budget. You need to look at your budget and see how much you want to save. I did a previous video a couple of days ago where it is the 50-30-20 rule. It just teaches you a little bit of how easy to go and save and how to save and everything. Go watch that one. Also, so you need a budget. So you got to sit down and say, okay, I want to save 100, 200, 500,000, whatever it is, whatever fits your pocket. But have a goal, because without a goal, it's just a long line. So have a goal, set timeline, say, okay, I want to save 100 for a year. So at the end of the year, it's 1,200. So set goals. If you don't have goals, it's going to be very difficult. Second point would be budget for savings. Yes, I know you're asking yourself, how are you going to budget if you got no money to save? That's the thing. Try cut down on things that you normally do. Like if you go to work, pack lunch instead of buying takeouts. Or, for example, buying a can of soda, rather take juice to work or water to work. Save that money, because if you have to add it up, how much you spend a week or a day at work just on sodas or takeouts, you'll be amazed how much money you can save. So try cut those things out. Also, try, if you can't drive to work or don't drive to work by yourself, catch a lift with a buddy. Split the costs on petrol, on fuel. It saves a lot of money. Also wear and tear on your tires and that. So that's good savings there. So the next thing you want to do is contact your insurance providers. See if they can give you better rates. It's always a good thing, even if it's just a little bit. Every little bit helps. So do that. That's a very important one, because there's a lot of times we don't check and the rates are just going up and up and up and up and we don't even notice it. So check with your insurance people. And also, the one thing you would want to do is you got to separate your needs and your wants. Your needs are your electricity, your house, your car payments, your medical payments. That your wants is things that you can live without. So, your hair, your nails, everything. Just have a look at that every month and see what is your needs, what is your wants. So general rule of thumb is 50% of your take-home salary wage should be on your needs. So things that you have to have, that you can't live without. 30% of your take-home salary should go to your wants. But now we're saving, so you can swap that around a little bit and say, okay, I'm going to save 20% instead of the 50. So look at that. Try look at that and see, like, is this a want or a need? And if you want to buy something, think about it for 30 days. If you still wake up on the 31st day after thinking about it and you still want it, then go out and get it. But generally take 30 days just to see if you really want it or if it's just a phase going through. Another tip you could do is track your spending. Tracking spending is very important. We normally just go to the shops and just spend, and then we don't even realize how much we're spending. So track your spending. See if you can get coupons at places. See who's got discounts going, who's got specials going. So track your spending on that. It's important not to just buy the first product you see at the first rate. Rather go and shop around, see who's got the best price, wait for Black Friday maybe, or whatever, but rather just shop around for a thing you would want, see if you can get a better rate. The second last point would be, don't use credit to buy something. So how that works is, if you can't afford it, don't buy it. That's very important for savings. So don't use your credit card because you just want to go out for dinner or something like that. Don't use it. Use credit cards for emergency purposes only. But yeah, keep a track on your credit card. It's easy just to use the credit card, and then before you even know it, you're in this whole sea of debt, and then you've got to start by square one again to try and get out of that, and it's very difficult to get out of that. So don't use credit card. The last point, and the most important point, is compound interest. See your money grow. Make your money work for you. So how that does, put your money in the bank, get interest on that, and watch your money grow. When there's a rainy day, at least you got a backup to fall on. So it's important to have money stashed away for a rainy day. Even if it's a little bit, it's better than nothing. So, and compound interest is your biggest friend in saving. So let that interest work for you. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you want to talk about next. I'll see you on the next video. Cool.